Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the compass is for in 99 Nights in the Forest. Go ahead and craft the compass. Here, you'll need 3 scraps, and you're just going to place it in your, map. How come I can't rotate it? Whatever. Basically, it's going to show you the direction here. It can also help you find the missing children. As you can see, it's going to show like in the map here where they are. Make sure you hit the bulletin board first. Basically, you can kind of see from here, and this is where you can save the missing kids. If you want to save them, make sure you go up first and make sure you have a weapon because it's a wolf that you're dealing with. Just gonna go up here and kind of attack them from here so they don't try to go up. You need to attack the ones that have the red color on. Okay, my ray gun is loading. Oh no, I have a wolf pelt. That's great. Oh, and that's basically the purpose of a compass in this game. I'm getting sidetracked, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.